You how to trade gold when it's in a sideways movement here. Take a close look at the 4-hour chart. That's the highest time frame that we use on gold in the commodities. Take a look and notice how gold likes to move from its highest point to its lowest point. Okay, this is a sideways movement. This is any sideways movement that you come across. Okay, you establish the high point of the leg and you establish the low point of the leg. Okay. And once you do that, you can see how price likes to go from high point to low point, goes sideways, low point, all the way back to high point, all the way back to low point. And now we're in the middle here. Okay. So let me show you a really unique way of trading a sideways market because in this type of a pattern structure, it's going to throw a monkey wrench into your trading system if your trading system is momentum based. Okay. So if your trading system relies on momentum, when you're in this type of pattern or this type of consolidation structure, it's going to throw a real monkey wrench into it. So let me show you something really unique here. This is a modified stochastic that I programmed, and it comes with the TrendCloud system. And again, it's a modified stochastic that's being used as a timing indicator. Okay, and let me show you what I mean by that. You're going to take 3 time frames here: 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, and the 15-minute chart. Okay, and you're going to establish that market edge. Okay, the high point and the low point on your 4-hour chart. Then on the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart, you're going to put this cycle indicator or this modified stochastic indicator on here. Okay. And there's some very specific values that we're going to plug into this. We'll get into that later, but I just want to show you how this works. Once you've established that low point on your 4-hour chart, once price starts to come back into that area, right? Because this is now considered a demand zone. So once price starts to enter the demand zone, you drop down to your cycle indicator, grab that vertical line, okay, and put it right where you entered the demand zone. And let's scroll back here and take a look. Now, go over here and flip on to the time the time slider so that when you click onto this, it will go exactly to that spot. It's just a little easier to follow this. Okay. So do you see how the cycle indicator is pointing down and it's red, and how it's pointing down and it's red on the middle time frame, and it's pointing down and it's red on the low time frame? Okay. What we want to do is start to look for that cycle back up on the low time frame, which happens right about here. You can see. Okay, so right here, you need to start looking for an entry. Now, on the middle time frame, it is still going down, right? And on the high time frame, that cycle is still going down as well. So that negates this entry. Move forward. Now it's cycling back up again right here. And we're up on the middle time frame here. We're starting to cycle up. You can see right there. But we're still not ready on the highest time frame. No problem. Go further. Cycling here. We're starting to get closer. Are we not? Now we're green and cycling up and green and cycling up. Go to the highest time frame. Not quite there yet. Keep sliding over until you have green on all sections, on all time frames, right there. Okay. Right here, we've got cycling up, cycling up, cycling up. Now you can start looking for your entry. Okay. And we can kind of see what happened here, right? So this is the candle right here. This is the candle that you have all green on your cycle indicator. So what happens here? Your entry, right? Your entry would go uh, right about here, right? And where's the lowest point? The lowest point is right here, right? So let's say you put your stop loss right there, okay? There's your entry. Gets you into the trade, goes sideways, and boom, stops you out, right? This was either news or some kind of whipsaw. You will never be able to um, you'll never be able to figure out when that's going to happen. So all you can do is take the small loss, right? So we're out here. Now what are we doing? We're waiting for that cycle um, to happen again, right? We've got one here, right here. We start to cycle back up, but we're going down here. It's kind of hooking down right here. So we don't have it. We need to have it across all three time frames. How about right here? Right here, it's down and up. We still need it. Move forward. Cycling up right here. Nope. Keep going. Keep going. Right, right here. Here. Cycling down, cycling down. Okay. So we're kind of missing it, but you're getting the idea. How about here? Okay, right here we're starting to line everything up, right? Cycling up, and we're almost there, right? That's coming down. Where do we get back? Where do we get in? Right here. Cycling up, cycling up, cycling up. Looky there. Where's your entry? Right about here, right? On this candle. Entry. Here's your stop loss right here, right? That's the lowest point, right? Well, actually, it's right there. Okay. So there's your lowest point. So here's your entry. There's your stop loss, right? Winner. Okay. And this thing is still going. Pulls all the way back down. And now we're back down to here. Okay. Um, Now we're back down in here. Grab that vertical axis again. Um, Start to line it up, right? Right here is where it came back in. Okay, let's line this up. How about right here? Almost right. Mm, right there. Lined up, right? Green, green, and green. Even though we're at the top, right? We're at the top of that cycle. And right there. Comes back down, cycling up, cycling up, cycling up. Take your trade. Right. Let's see. Where is it? You would put it right at the wick. So right there. Right there. There's your stop loss, right? Winner. Okay. So very simple way this is a very simple strategy to use only when you're in a sideways movement. Okay, guys? So just watch this video again and put the cycle. This is a modified stochastic. So just go. This is free on TradingView. Okay, just go and type in stochastic. Oops. There we go. Good grief. Type in stochastic. Okay, and it will come up. And what you want to do, okay, is you want to change these parameters around. Okay, I don't want this video to get too long. If you want the trade plan for this, just click onto my profile here. Click onto my profile. Go right here. Click onto Chris Giuliano on the Bitly link, and I will send you the trade plan with all the parameters that you can use for that cycle indicator. It's a great technique to use when you are looking at a sideways movement. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.